This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Pamela Graves. Welcome home to this 2024 build located just one street over from beautiful Granada Golf Course and only 2 minutes to Granada Clubhouse. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan with a gorgeous shiplap and wood mantel electric insert fireplace. The kitchen offers granite countertops with a beautiful island, spacious cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The master suite is a true retreat with a luxurious ensuite bathroom with his and her sinks, and a huge walk-in shower. With 2 additional bedrooms on the opposite side of the house, privacy is never an issue. Other features of this home include a pantry room, 2-car garage, mud area, and laundry room with extra cabinets and granite countertop for folding space. All appliances to convey including washer and dryer. Home square feet. Based on tax records. Taxes based on lot only. For more information.